Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 Complete Edition loot box. Let's find out what's in this box. So I don't know how many of you are actually fans of Roller Coaster Tycoon 3. It's an old game now, but they're bringing out like a remake, remaster edition of this game for both PC and Nintendo Switch, which was super awesome. And today, I got this. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at what's inside the loot box and seeing what's going on. That's pretty cool. Not before our sponsor though, me. Yes, my friends, I'm my own sponsor. We're such an early channel, I don't have a sponsor yet. But if you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button and the like button to support the channel. I love tech, I love doing unboxings, so if you want to support us, please go ahead. In terms of what we're going to do in the future, it's unboxings, PC build, consumer tech. You pretty much know the drill. And obviously I'm here, you're there. It'd be great if you come back. So let's go over to the unboxing table and actually take a look at what's actually inside of this box, because this box looks absolutely awesome. The print on it is really nice, so it's super exciting for me as a Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 fan. I started playing Roller Coaster Tycoon 1 and 2, and then this came out and it was like, oh my god, 3D graphics, that's insane. And it's even coming onto the Nintendo Switch. Like, for me, being able to play this game on here sounds amazing. So I wonder what's in the box. Anyway, let's open it up. Whoa! Okay, so before I spoil everything in the box here, I just want to show you, look at the lid. I know you don't often see unboxing videos talking about lids, but that's a pretty cool lid. HyperX, as you can see, so we've got some goodies. As I said, this is coming out on the Nintendo Switch, so these are some goodies by the looks of it that kind of go alongside the Nintendo Switch. So let's take a look at the earbuds first. These look pretty cool. So cloud earbuds, gaming headphones with a mic. Okay, compatible with Nintendo Switch. It's kind of a red design. It actually goes perfectly with the theme here. Look at this. Coordination. You'll love to see it. Okay, before I open that, I just want to take this charge play clutch out. We'll put that to one side for now. And we'll put the box away. In here, it just says, with compliments. So here we have the cloud earbuds. Looks really nice. Again, nice red color scheme. Goes perfectly with the package. And let's take a look at them. Okay, nice. So they come in this really nice case, little carry case. That's kind of cute. Different ear tips there. And yeah, obviously the Nintendo Switch obviously has a headphone port, which is what you want. So this is kind of perfect. These are like gaming in-ears, which you'll love to see. Did not realize. Oh, that feels bad. Oh, I mean, it kind of spoiled the surprise. So you can see we got the carry case, we've got the headphones themselves, and obviously the different sizes, but I literally did not notice that. That's hilarious. Professional unboxer here, guys. Congratulations on joining the HyperX family. Yeah, I thought the red was going to be really loud, actually, but it's a little bit... It's not too loud. These are really nice, kind of a shade of red. They're kind of dark, but that's really cool. I really like these headphones. I'm going to test them out and see how they feel. Yeah, they're really comfortable, actually. A bit of noise isolation because obviously they're in ear, so I kind of sound weird right now to myself. But they seem comfortable. They're nice and light, actually. All right, so next up is the gameplay clutch. So this is a 6,000 milliamp. Is this one a flip? Oh, it's not a flip. This is a 6,000 milliamp battery charge grip case for the Nintendo Switch. If I'm going to be playing video games, and especially games like Roller Coaster Tycoon 3, I'm going to be spending a lot of time on it, and I'm definitely going to be playing it more handheld than not. Alright, so out of the box, we've got the actual main unit. So this is a couple of things. We've got, has this got any charge? It's got a bit of charge, as you can see. So we've got a battery indicator there. Okay, so it goes in with a click. A to USB-C charge cable. It seems quite long as well, which is helpful. And then we've got the Joy-Con grip. One thing about the Joy-Cons is they're really small. That's really awesome, and they instantly feel a lot more comfortable. Let's try putting in the Joy-Con. I presume you just slide it in like so. Wait a minute. Oh, that feels instantly better. Yeah, the Joy-Cons are pretty small. I like the Joy-Cons as they are, but I wish they were a bit more ergonomical. There you go. Oh, like instantly feels big. So it does make the this thing a little bit bigger, the console in general, but instantly that feels a lot more comfortable. So good job there. All right, let's put in the actual console itself. So I guess it just slides in, right? I've just figured it out. Okay, so the way this works, if you want to play it with a controller like this, you have these two things in right that, and it's nice. It's a lot more comfortable than it would be normally. Great. So now, because I'm a genius, guys, there you go. So you put these in, fold that down. It's quite a quite a thought out system here, and then the magnets pull it in. So it's kind of an odd solution, but it definitely works as you need it. But it's a lot heavier because of the battery, but that almost makes it more comfortable to hold. And in terms of like how this feels to hold, pretty nice, pretty nice. We've still got access to the headphone port, which is important because we've got some new headphones to chuck in. But just along here, you can kind of pull your finger in like that. One thing also as well, on the back, you've actually got a USB-C charging port. So if you were to stand this like so, one, it's tilted nicely. So you can see it's not upright. It's actually at like a 45-degree angle, which is perfect for it sat at desk. And then if I want to detach the Joy-Cons here, so now I can kind of do my thing like this, which is kind of like a really nice thing. And obviously you'll get your charging up at the same time. The integrated stand for the Nintendo Switch, as good as it is, like nice as it is to have, it's not that sturdy. But the fact that now I've got this little stand for it seems a lot more rugged. Add a little charging. Let me see. We do have Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 Complete Edition on the Nintendo Switch, so we'll be playing that very soon. And I'll link that. That'll be on my gaming channel. But as you can see, it's charging there, keeping the Switch topped up, which is really cool. Okay, the headphones for one sound really good, but overall, really happy with this package. I guess I can show you the menu screen. You guys have seen the menu screen before, but yeah, you see the headphones just pop in there. Really nice. It's kind of amazing to me to see this on a Switch. I remember this game being quite demanding when it first came out on my PC, which, you know, wasn't that great. Now, it's freaking handheld. Like, it's kind of insane. So, along with these gadgets, the headphones, and the charge pad, I'm going to be doing some Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 gaming, late night sessions. It's going to be cool. I'm obviously going to be doing gameplay on my main channel, as I said, but this is a really nice loot box package. The packaging was awesome. And this was a fun video to make because, as I said, I used to play this a lot when I was younger. Really cool. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.